Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery in BL tonight. We're going to kick this off talking about major gas station distribution and a company that has just gone into LPG, entering the market. They've just announced that recently. You're going to get that going in short order. So the CEO or Managing Director, Jeremy Barnes, announced recently, and great earnings from Fesco as well. Fesco, future energy source company here, coming out with a dividend declaration. It's a pretty good one here. On the recommendation of the board of directors of Fesco, they declared a final dividend for the year ended March 31st, 2022. It's going to be 1.6 cents per share or 0.016 per ordinary share of Fesco. It's going to be paid close to the end of October. That's going to be next month, October 28th, 2022. Now, Kingston Wharves Limited here, that's ticker symbol KW, trading their shares. Connected Party selling a total of very small amount here, just under 300 shares on September 19th. Now, still some earnings reports coming out on the JSE Jamaica Stock Exchange. Pulse Investments Limited, earnings jumping 17%. Nothing to scoff at here. Double-digit earnings growth here for the 2022 year end. That is June 30th of this year. Now, the EPS, that's earnings per share, improved to 27 cents for Pulse versus 23 cents year over year. That's that growth we're talking about for Pulse. Net profit jumped actually to 1.78 billion, a big number there for Pulse versus 1.46 billion year over year. The top line here for Pulse revenue closed the year at 930.6 million, and Pulse continuing that trend there in the income statement. Other income and gains was 1.26 billion, a slight increase from the previous year, 1.12 billion year over year. Now, Carreras Limited here, they've been making a lot of changes or a lot of noise in the marketplace here in terms of, board changes, in terms of executive management changes. The CEO, resigned or had a change there, but he's going to stay within BAT Group. So that was a good look, but it's still a change. Another change here, resignation of director for Carreras, ticker symbol CAR. Advisor of the resignation of Mr. Laurent Meffrey from the board of directors of Carreras. It's going to be effective September 30th. So let's see what happens there. Share price still, pretty stable in the marketplace. Still more of an income play, dividend play, but a lot of changes there. Probably want to see some stability for Carreras going forward in terms of the board and the executive team. Last up tonight, we got Massy Holdings here, trading in their shares. Quite a lot of activity here, corporate action items coming out of the Massy team or the Massy camp over the past couple of weeks or so. Much more heavier than we would have seen earlier this year in terms of on the buy side and the sell side, but especially the buy side for connected parties or, insiders in terms of the company directors, connected parties and managers. In this case here, a director of Massy purchased just under 900,000 shares. Pretty big volume here, compared to other trades on September 23rd. Have a great evening. I'm Mark Croskery, and this is Business Live.